Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable the price alert into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable the price alert, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application, and after that just simply unlock the application by entering your fingerprints, and after that it will give you a lot of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to select this gear button into the top left corner, tap into that option, and then it will give you the option of price alerts. Tap into price alerts, and after that you just simply have to tap into this toggle for price alert, and after tapping there, if that toggle was disabled, it will be enabled. This way you can easily enable the price alert into your Trust wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.